Welcome to this English lesson. Today, you'll learn how to introduce yourself naturally and confidently, perfect for beginners who want to speak clearly and make a good first impression. Always start your introduction with a friendly greeting. You can say hi or hello in any situation. For more formal moments, use good morning or good afternoon. Here are simple ways to say your name. You can say, I'm Maria, or my name is Alex. If you use a nickname, say, you can call me Ben. These phrases make your introduction clear and friendly. Here are some ways to say where you're from. You can say, I'm from Italy, which tells people your country. Another option is, I come from Brazil, which means the same thing in a friendly way. You can also say, I live in London, to tell people where you currently live. Using these phrases helps others learn more about you and start a conversation. Here are some simple ways to talk about what you do. You can say, I'm a student, if you are studying. If you have a job, you can say, I work as a teacher. And if you are searching for work, say, I'm currently looking for a job. These phrases help people understand more about your life and what you do every day. Here are some ways to share your hobbies or interests. You can say, I love playing the guitar, to talk about a favorite activity. Another example is, I enjoy reading and cooking, which shows what you like to do. You can also say, in my free time, I go hiking, to tell people how you spend your leisure time. Sharing hobbies makes your introduction more personal and interesting. Here are some ways to describe your personality. You can say, I'm friendly and curious, to share how you are with others. Another option is, people say I'm a good listener, which shows a positive quality. You can also say, I'm very organized and calm, to describe how you handle things. Talking about your personality helps people get to know you better. Here are some ways to talk about your goals. You can say, I want to improve my English, to share your learning aim. Another option is, my dream is to travel the world, which shows your big plans. You can also say, I'm learning English to find a better job, to explain your motivation. Talking about your goals helps others understand what's important to you. In this slide, you will see an example of how to introduce yourself in English. This example shows a simple and natural way to share important information about who you are. Practice this introduction to help you feel confident when meeting new people. Get ready to practice. Use the introduction structure you've learned to tell others about yourself. Try saying your greeting, name, location, job, hobby, personality, and goal. Remember, practice helps you speak English confidently and naturally. Here are some important tips to help you introduce yourself confidently. First, speak slowly and clearly so that people can understand you easily. Next, smile and make eye contact to show you're friendly and approachable. It also helps to practice your introduction in front of a mirror to see how you look and improve your delivery. Most importantly, be confident. Remember, practicing will make you better every time. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons like this one. Practice every day to improve your English skills little by little. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.